Hello students, welcome to DAV Mohit Public School Sita Songi e-learning class standard 4th mathematics. Dear student, today we will learn topic 12 area. In topic subtopic is in terms of area in terms of square. Let's enjoy this class. Dear student, see the picture. You can see this picture is a bed sheet. This picture is a bed sheet. Now, when anyone ask you what is the area of this bed sheet, you can say that its area is a 100 meter, 60 meter, or 70 meter. But which way we have to find out area of this bed sheet? The student, in our mathematics, we have to do the activity is that I have take a circle and just finding the area. See, to cover the bed sheet, I have take circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles arranged in row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles arranged in rows. That means 2 rows are mixed. Now 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 circles completes the bed sheet. 15 circles completes the bed sheet. Therefore, we can say that the area of this bed sheet is 15 circles. But to find out the area of circles, again we have to need the area of a circle. Area of a circle we can find out by using the radius of a circle. But it is important to see that all circles cannot completely fill the bed sheet. That means all circles cannot be covered the whole area of a bed sheet. Here some area of a bed sheet is left out in between circles. Therefore, this is not accurate area of the bed sheet. That means 15 circles is not the accurate area of the bed sheet. Now another activity I have to do. Again take bed sheet, and this bed sheet is covered by squares. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares arranged in row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You can see 15 squares completely cover a bed sheet. 15 squares completely cover a bed sheet. That means it is the area of the bed sheet. Area of the bed sheet. How many squares are required? Here 15 squares are required to cover a bed sheet. That means 15 squares is the area of the bed sheet. Therefore, we can say that square is the best unit for measuring the area. Square is the best unit for measuring the area. Therefore, we have to choose a square is the best unit for measuring the area. Let's practice. Now find out the area of some figures. Figure number 1. Here question asks, find the area of the following figures in terms of unit area. In terms of unit area. Here how many squares are joined together? Again 4 squares are joined together. Therefore area of this figure is 4 square. Area of this figure is 4 square. Now another figure. Here looks the figure carefully and say how many squares are joined together. Here in first, second, third, fourth and fifth. That means 5 squares are the area of this figure. 5 squares is the area of this figure. Now see question number C. How many squares are here? I have counted in this way. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Therefore, 11 squares is the area of this figure. 11 squares is the area of this figure. Answer is that 11 squares is the area of this figure. Do you understand, student? To find out the area of the figure using unit area. Using unit area. See question number D. Again you can see the squares are joined together and count the squares. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore area of this figure is 8 squares. Area of this figure is 8 squares. Now dear student, note down this assignment for your more practice. 4 questions are given and you have to find the area of these figures in terms of unit area. Thanks student and have a